Dude, look at the size of this walleye. Oh my God. Look at this fish.
Look at the map.
Oh my God.
Fish?
Okay, here's a good spot.
Nice.
Moving.
Yep.
Wow. I'm just looking around. Okay, I might be on him now.
Yep.
Oh,
Holy.
holy smokes. It took us forever to catch a fish. Here you go, Nugs. It was like a sheep head though. It's really heavy. Like really heavy.
Big walleye.
If this is a walleye,
Steelhead. Oh,
my. Oh my gosh! Look at that thing! Holy crap! Hey Christian, would you? Oh my gosh! Is that not recording?
oh my
I was just drifting around trying to find a spot. Look at the size of that fish. That might be. Look at its eyes. Oh my gosh!
Dude,
That might be the biggest walleye I've caught so far.
that is the biggest walleye I've ever seen.
It's huge, dude. On a tiny little piece of nightcrawler. Look at the size of this fish. Are you kidding me? You gonna record?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this thing is just mammoth.
We should keep this.
Dude, look at the size of this walleye. Oh my gosh. Look at this fish. Oh my gosh.
Look at his
Dude, the thing, the tank, look at this mouth. Look at that, compared to mine.
Put your hand up to the head of it.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Fish. Oh my gosh.
Just a comparison.
Yeah. That's a good hook set too. And I was just trying to find the spot and it just took off. Dude, look at this fish. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
Want to keep this?
That is a
Just bring it
big,
home.
big walleye. I think it's too big to keep, honestly.
Really?
Look at this fish. Oh my gosh. That thing is big. That is a big fish.
The camera doesn't do it justice.
No.
Oh, dude.
There he goes.
That.
We can't kill something that big.
Yeah.
That thing
Oh.
deserves a fight again. Plus they don't taste good.
Yeah.
Big ones don't taste good. Finally, on a little tiny piece of worm. Where are you talking? Some big fish down there. It's like
Yeah,
a video
there's-
game, man, isn't it? Look at the size of that one. Come on. Look at that one. Turning. He's coming for it. Got him, Christian. Did you see that?
Nice.
Oh, that was so cool. That was awesome, man. Oh my gosh, that was so cool.
There was one literally coming right for mine too.
Oh, 30 pound. Oh my gosh. Isn't that movie The Perfect Storm? These waves, dude. Hold on, watch your feet.
Holy.
Yeah, where'd these come from?
Jeez.
Yeah. This fish did not want to get caught. Oops. I can keep fishing. You keep fishing.
No, that's all right.
Unless it's a wild. No.
It's good.
Although I said that last walleye was a sheephead, so those seem. Well, he's still shaking his head too, man. I don't know.
Why? Oh, thought it was. I saw the bottom. You saw the
I know,
bottom
yeah,
too?
You see a little bit of white.
Yeah.
I thought it was too, man.
There we go.
Got one, bud?
Yep.
Atta boy. You see him hit it?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a small guy.
What's that?
Smaller guy.
That's a good chance to be a walleye then.
Yeah, why? I feel.
Is it a walleye?
I think so.
Come on now. Come on, Christian. Oh yeah, that's a nice walleye. That is a nice walleye. Yep. Nice
Good eater.
walleye, bud.
Good eating one.
Yeah.
Thanks, bud.
Nice fish, bud.
Thanks, man.
That a boy. You watched it, didn't you?
Yep.
Nice. Nice work, Christian. Isn't that nuts?
Yeah, they definitely do not like the football head, that's for sure.
I'm sorry, man. I didn't know.
That's alright.
They're like, wow, that thing's stupid looking.
I think this is a sheep head.
Might be.
I don't know. Yeah, sheep head.
Fish. Fun.
Oh, yeah.
Net here in a second. No matter what, it's fun.
Oh, for sure. Oh, look at that thing. Oh my gosh.
Christian, that thing's
That thing
huge.
is definitely getting a picture with that thing.
Oh my gosh, that thing's mammoth. I'm gonna catch him already. I got him already.
Nice. No. Let's double up, double up. Oh, dude, look at it.
Yeah,
you
that's
can
so
see
cool.
it.
Catch it right on top of his head. That is awesome, man. Right on top of his head.
That is so cool.
PC Fun 2000 Carbon X reel. Listen to that thing.
Had a bite.
This might be a. Is this a walleye?
Oh, oh,
Is this a walleye?
oh,
Christian?
yeah.
Carbon X
Oh.
reel.
Oh.
Christian, is this a big walleye?
Oh, get the net. Get the net.
I didn't see it.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
oh,
Oh man.
oh, that's a dinosaur.
Oh my gosh, that's a freaking dinosaur.
Come here.
Holy crap.
Oh my God, he's so heavy. He's so
Christian, that might
heavy.
be bigger than. No, I don't think it is,
Oh,
but that
he
is
is so heavy.
awesome.
Oh my
Gosh,
gosh.
they're right on top of his head.
Dude, that is a monster.
Look at that. Look at this freaking walleye. Look at that. He's actually really warm.
Yeah, I know. The fish are warm. Warmer than us.
60 degrees the water temp. Look at that. Man, he's a good one. That is so sweet, dude. Small now. Oh.
Dude.
Yeah, right. One of us has to load up there.
Nice.
You know what? I was like thinking to myself, I have to be a little bit more aggressive. And like short, but not far.
I see it.
That makes sense?
Yeah. It looks like a walleye on there.
Definitely sheephead.
Yeah.
100% sheephead. Thanks, bud.
Yeah.
That was cool though to watch.
Oh yeah. Well, that is a big sheephead.
Yeah, that is a big one. Dang.
Oh, he's fat.
Yeah, he is.
Nice.
You come right out of there, whatever it is. Oh, it's the first smallie.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
You come out of those weeds. Oh, that's
Ooh.
Oh my goodness. That's super cool. Look at him dancing.
Nice.
Sorry about that.
No, you're good.
There you go. That's a nice smallie.
Oh yeah.
Smallie. That's a good size one. What's your button, bud? This one here. 35 feet this way.
There you go.
Got it, boy. You win.
He's coming up to the surface quick.
Look at
The
small.
small guy.
No?
Yeah.
Look at small. Look at sheephead.
Is it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.